7. Nice. And one. Just get one in. All right, that's right. Come back. No, that's good. Get one in. No, get one. You okay?
Like I spotted the back. Like I.
Yeah, no, but you went and like, that was a choice. So first of all, the step over was stunning because there was nothing there. You know what I'm saying? Like, I mean that in a good way. It was just, it just happened. And that's when you know you've got it, right? Like when you're done with it, you went, oh, that, okay, cool. And then you just move on, yeah? Read that. Let's do one more day. Let's spot over there. Yeah. Be careful when you're coming out. Make sure that, I love your balances, right? Make sure though that you're setting yourself back up for the step over because I felt like you kind of went in a little bit with your shoulder. So it went a little bit here and that, I think, led to the weird spot. Yeah. Yeah, finish spot. And there it is. And one. And boom. Yes. Use your breath. Some really lovely things going on, right? I love the ease with which you're doing the step over stuff. I love the ease. You're under-rotating the spot. And so that's why you started going that way. Yeah. Right? So you're getting like 1 3/4, so it kept bringing you forward, right? I just split, I would talk about that. Make sure you get your face back to where you want. Yeah. I know this is going to be controversial, like if I ever put this video up, but it's not about what your eyes focus on. I discovered that, right, being on stage. So it's where your head gets back, that relationship with your face and your body, that is how your body knows where to go. Yeah. So you've got to get this back to that corner, right? So when you look in the mirror, glance, but don't stay there because then you'll start going there. Yeah, try this one. There you go. Good. I know this is not the side that you're going to be doing most of your stuff on. Just be aware that there has to be a motion through that, right? Where it has to go forward, out, in. Yeah. So on the left, it just kind of went. Yeah. And then back in. Kind of the old style Vaganova, where they just shoot the leg out. Yeah. Never been a fan of that because I don't feel like it keeps a connection. It's not giving you enough momentum. It's a lot of muscle for that one. Yeah. We want rhythm.
I don't know. I feel like I just freaked myself out.
I feel like you did. And we talked about this last year, right? Where you wasn't in. When right? When you allow yourself to be. Yeah. And we all, like, that's usually our biggest issue is us. Yeah. You know? It helped me when I would just get lost in the process. Yeah. Just get lost in this conjure, this music, this moment. Because then I wasn't thinking about all the what ifs, what could be's. We have no control of it. Yeah. Our control is right now, the work that we put in, right? Yeah. So I will keep encouraging you gently, breathe. You know, there's times you're killing this, and we've seen the elements are all in there, right? So I know that this can come out and be really stunning. Yeah. But you have to be breathing to do that. Yeah? All right, let's give this a shot. Here we go. Thank you. That's so important. Yeah, good job. That's the point. You were a little bit behind it, right? So that pushed the foot forward. Okay, so you weren't quite getting all the way up on the foot change. Did you feel it? Your hips were just a little bit back, and on the middle set, you found it and got straighter. Don't look down that second spot. I want to keep reminding you, right? Because you slow it down because you look right at the floor. Yeah. I love the flow. Again, it feels like we're a little bit behind today. Just we're not quite on that music. The movement's good. It's not quite in the flow. Yeah. And your first on the diagonal, you were way forward, and that's what slowed you down just a little bit. You picked it up. Nice triple at the end. When you came out of it, you were 3 times. That's why you went down. Nice step over the edge. Yeah, that was good. And nice strong finish, which I like. Yeah.